More news coming up, breaking news coming up on the other side. There is a statement that we are getting from our sources in the armed forces, and we are given to understand that China and India are following in letter and spirit the de-escalation and the disengagement process. Let me go across to my colleague Padmaja, who's joining me. Padmaja, what exactly are we seeing? What are we hearing? What's the Defense Ministry saying? Is the process of disengagement on track?
Absolutely, Navika. In fact, today was a very crucial meeting of the WMCC, which is the working mechanism on consultation and coordination on Indo-China affairs. Now, there is a pullback that has started and it is happening in steps. Now, here is what our sources have told us, that in Hot Springs, 50 soldiers will be kept and the disengagement process will happen in a gradual fashion. However, and the very important thing being mentioned over here is that trust remains a core issue, because remember, when the 15th of July episode took place, at that time also China had promised disengagement. You had Colonel Santosh Babu and his team go to verify, and that is when they were ambushed. So what is happening? Patrolling has been seized because there is very high tempers are running high between the troops. Both sides are relocating troops and restore landform. Now what's very important is that in the WMCC, we are told by our sources, India kept insisting that the May situation, the May status should be reinstated. So status quo ante has been demanded. Patrolling has been seized. There is obviously the troops, the Indian troops are extremely angry. They are still on edge at this time, but an understanding has been reached between the two countries. Trust, however, remains the key issue here. The talks will continue.
Well, that's right. Disengagement can be better managed by avoiding contact is what both sides feel. All four pockets, the disengagement is happening in steps. The Hot Springs 50 soldiers still there, and the next meeting of the Lieutenant Generals is going to look at further disengagement. It's a very calculated and a very, very fragile situation. We do hope the trust remains from China's side, and we do hope this is followed in letter and spirit.